river jump with Diesel this morning. Went to the same spot where that little kind of stream is that I know he can go through. And you always want to make sure when bringing your dogs to the river that their pads are nice and tough, because it looks clean, it is clean, but you just never know. Also, I forgot his harness. See how it's kind of pushing him away? Whenever I take my dogs swimming, I always make sure a snug harness is on them, because if you ever have to grab them, collars can slip off. So here we go, crossing the little current. Easier when you're not a moron and you remember the harness, just in case you do go through an area they need help in. And we made it. Now we're gonna go play some ball, go for a nice dip.